This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Lens, either the separate app or the Lens icon inside Google. Give camera and storage permissions so Lens can capture and analyze images. Once done, point at the subject, keep the camera steady, and tap the round capture button or hold for continuous analysis. This initiates object recognition and OCR. You do this because Lens needs a clear image to identify text, objects, or barcodes, and the immediate capture translates to faster, more accurate results. After capture, switch to the mode that fits your goal: text for OCR, translate for foreign words, shopping for products, or search for general info. You should tap and drag to highlight exactly what you want. That reduces noise and focuses Lens. Once highlighted, use the on-screen options to copy text, listen aloud, search the web, or view similar products. Make sure to explore suggested web results and swipe through cards to compare sources and prices when shopping or researching. With results displayed, act. Save the text to Google Keep, share a product link, or copy a phone number into your dialer. You can tap result cards to open source pages or perform a reverse image search for more context. If outputs are wrong or blank, troubleshoot quickly. Wipe the camera glass, move to brighter light, adjust distance, or change the angle. These fixes improve contrast and focus. Finally, retry capture and, if needed, switch modes to get the right type of analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.